What up, everyone? Is the Apple Watch Series 3 Nike Plus Edition worth it or not? Let me get into that and let you know some features on this watch and tell you why or why not this is worth it. And if it's worth it for you, go get it. If it's not, then don't get it. But right off the bat, this Apple Watch, when you use it, has to be tethered to your phone to get any information off of it. If you don't have it tethered to your phone, the only information you can get off of it is your workouts and your heart rate and the time and what the date is. That's it. But if you have this paired to your phone or have it hooked up to the Wi-Fi in your house, then you can use it with everything. You can see the weather, you can see your calendars, you can see your messages, your text, anything that you have on this watch. And is this worth it for you? Or is it worth it for most people? The price tag, maybe not. This was around $300 something. That is a lot of money. After tax and everything, it was like $400 something that I spent on this Apple Watch. For some people, that is a lot of money. For few other people, that is amount that is not too expensive for them to spend if they really need this or want this. For me, I could have lived without it. My mom would say differently. Yes, you shouldn't have bought this. This was a waste of money. But for me, I wanted it, so I bought it. I had to buy some extra accessories for it. So what I bought was this case. I don't know if you can see it really. This case right here for the Apple Watch. And I had to get a screen protector to put on the top so I could protect this beautiful thing that I spent $400 on. Now, what's different about this Series 3 and the Series 2 and the Series 1 don't have? The Series 3, you can get a model with cellular data on it. But the way you can know that that model that you have is the cellular data one is on this right here, on this crown right here. There'll be a red mark right there. There'll be red right there showing you that you have the cellular data one. Now, for me, if I had the money and I was gonna buy another watch, and just say they come out with another generation, they will put cellular data on it. If they do, then I will buy, if I had the money, and if I really liked this watch enough that it's worth buying another watch after this watch been used for a long time and it breaks and I need a new generation watch or I need to update my watch, then I would definitely go for the one with the cellular if you have the money. For most people, that if they have the money, that one is more worth it because you don't have to always be tethered to your phone. Because if you be tethered to your phone all the time, it runs down the battery on your phone more than it does on your watch. But if you have the cellular on your watch, then it might run down the battery on your watch more than your phone. But anyways, all I gotta say is if you choose the one without the cellular data, you will be using that attached to your phone if you want all your information on the watch. If you don't want all the information, then you will not get everything you need to get on your phone, on your watch. But that means if you hook it to your phone, it could run down your battery faster on your phone. That's up to you. So all I have to say is if it's worth it for the price and worth it still to have to Bluetooth pair it to your phone, then get it. Or if it's better to get the one with the cellular data, get that one instead. Or if this is way too much money for you and you can't spend that much money and this is not a good thing for you, then don't buy it. All I gotta say is it worth it for you? It has great features. That's my password. I might have to change that. It has your steps, your goals. It has your heart rate. It has all this stuff, and you can put more stuff on there if you have other stuff. So it's really great, and you can change the color, your watch face. You can do a lot. So if you want one of these, go to the Apple Store or go to their website and you can buy one. They have different models. This is the Nike Plus edition. They have just one that is not the Nike Plus edition. The watch bands will be different if you get different watches, and you can get different colors. Mine is the space gray one, but you will not be able to get this case unless you buy it separately, or the screen protector. So hope you guys like this video. Please like it and put a comment what you think about the Apple Watch, and have a great day. Bye.